If you cannot build a passive income system by dropshipping, then you will never get, or you cannot make a long-term business. In this video, I will show you my proven system, how I earn money by passive income in dropshipping sector. Then I will share with you everything, the roadmap. But the problem is, in YouTube, nobody will share with you the secret things, the system, the proven formula. Okay, so just give me a few minutes. I will show you exactly step by step how I do this, and you can also copy me and just follow my systems and roadmap. Definitely you will be success. Okay, so first of all, this is my Facebook groups. I showed it before on my some previous videos, that 10k members. Okay, and then I will also show you that every day people sending me friend request, and they are all dropshipping client. Okay, you can see that this is all are dropshipping people. And I will show you my Facebook messenger, so you can see that everyday client I am dealing with them and messaging. Okay, so and also in my WhatsApp you will see that this is a lot of clients. Okay, this is my yeah, it's my WhatsApp. And then you will see that this is the Sweden client, and he is paying every day. He has good order, 10 to 15 order, and this is the payment. Okay, payment proof, and every day we are fulfilling his order. Okay, so I'm making a passive income system by my team. I am sleeping, but my team is handling everything, and they are doing work, and I am taking the profit. Okay, so this is the very good passive site. Okay, and this is one of my client Excel. Okay, he is also like done, thank you. He transaction confirmation. He's also every day 5 to 4 orders. Okay, storage order 5. And this is Taufik orders. I will show you Taufik's orders. Today is 3 orders. Okay, and his payment is successful. Okay, you can see. So how I built this passive income system, this is my 5 years journey, and I started my journey as a dropshipping supplier during the COVID. Okay, in 2020. And I will also show you my LinkedIn groups. Okay, in my LinkedIn groups you can see 10,000 plus members. Within few days it will be 11,000. And in my groups, this is the post that you can see the reaction. And every day my community groups members every day posting their success, their failure story, their problems, and I am handling them. Okay, I am solving problem, my teammate and my groups member solving. Okay, so you can see I am doing nothing. I build a system by my hard work. Also I am building my networking to grow my business. Okay, and this is a system that I am making money by passive income. Now I will show you how you can do these systems. You will be my partner, you will be my client, you will be my best friend, because you and me, we are together, we'll both a very big business in dropshipping sector. Okay, so how? First of all, you will make a mindset that you will be a big dropshipper. So I showed that my WhatsApp groups clients all of are very good dropshipper, and now you will start dropshipping by a platform which is AliExpress or others, like how you can research product and everything. And this systems is very good. My client doing this system. So my goal will be, I will make you more and more rich man in this dropshipping business. So we will make money together. So you will just go to AliExpress, you will find a very good product, and then your goal will be just contact me. Okay, just contact me by my WhatsApp, by my email, my Facebook, every social media contact you will get. And then you and me, we will discuss how, what is your goal, what is the problem, and what is the solution. Because I know everything. In the 5 years experience, I see what is the problem in this sector. So you are a beginner, you will face a lot of problem, but since I am with you, I will help you, so you have no problem. Every problem, every solution we will do together. And then your work will be to build a Shopify store. No problem, I will help you. Okay, after Shopify store done, but first of all we will very pay attention about the product research in AliExpress, in Meta Ads library, in like in TikTok, Instagram, no problem. Anywhere we will research more. Just you have to give me time, and we need to see a very good goal where we will go on the next 2 years or 3 years. If you give up this sector short time, then you will never success. I know this sector, my friend. My clients who are making good sales, they are 3 years 4 years experience, they are making good business. So what you will do, you just have to give me time, and we need a goal, vision, 1 year 2 year roadmap, and then you definitely make a good passive income site or money making systems in dropshipping sector, I can promise you. Okay, so just that's it, my friend. No problem, just comment below if you have any questions. I will answer you, and email me or social media links you will find the video description. Just contact me. Okay, so thank you.